Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you the classic way how to stir fry your vegetables. This is a very classic traditional way that you're expecting when you're traveling Thailand or China or Taiwan. You order this green and this is what it tastes like. Okay, so this is exactly what you're looking for. So let's get started. First thing what we're gonna do is slice 5 cloves of garlic, not too thin, just about 3 to 4 pieces from one large garlic clove. So I already shared how to make this stir fried green, like a vegan vegetarian version of it, so check it out right up here. But if you're not, so now we're gonna mix up the sauce. So in a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch will thicken up the sauce, so this vegetable will be nice and saucy. It's gonna be so good. Alrighty, sauce is good to go. Set aside. Turn on the heat to medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use vegetable, peanut, or canola oil too. We're gonna fry up the garlic first. To your taste, you can definitely add some ginger or onions. That will be really delicious too. While the garlic is frying up, about 1 to 2 minutes, let's talk about the greens. So today I prepared pea shoots. If you can find this green, go ahead and definitely use it. Otherwise, you can use any leafy green vegetables that you can find. Kale, bok choy, spinach, Napa cabbage, regular cabbage, Swiss chard, it will be really good too. Or a mixture of the greens will work too. Don't worry, it looks like a lot, but they will cook down about like a half size. Vegetables are cooked about halfway. This is the time that we are going to add the sauce mixture. So stir the sauce because there is a cornstarch. Toss everything together. For any dinner style that you're doing, just serve this as side dish. It's a vegetable side dish. Everybody gonna go nuts for this. And they are gorgeous. This is it, guys. We're done. How easy was this? Let's serve this.
Good job. It's so hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
How about you just take this plate?
Okay.
Is it your first time trying pea shoot, Anya? Can you tell the difference, this and the vegetarian version?
No.
Really?
I cannot.
Not at all?
Yeah, a little bit more deep flavor, but the other one's nice and clean. I like it. And still a lot of deep flavor. It's really good.
This one has more common flavor that I know when I'm eating this green.
Deep into the pea shoot. That sounded kind of weird.
Look how green it is.
If you guys liked my, not the point yet. If you guys liked my stir fried pea shoot or stir fried green recipe, the classic version of it, please give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel if you haven't for more delicious and
Inspiration.
Subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching it today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
I'm Jacob Longest.
And I'm Han Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. If you tried my recipe, go ahead and take a picture or video, share on your Instagram story or Instagram and tag me Seonkyoung Longest so I can reshare, like, and comment on your post. I love you guys. Bye! See you next time.